Okay. Let's see what happened here. Okay. Zoom that in. Hit Control X. All right. Furthermore, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Let me change the color here, real quick here, and get back to the normal color. And most of you guys used to seeing the this is what we all used to see when you open Blender. This is what comes up, that type of color. And normally I would do sculpting. Let me repeat the words: sculpting. And I would tend to use that. Man, what's going on here? Hold on. Okay, so let me change this color real quick. Change this real. All right. So now there we go. There we have it right here. This is not the tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how to separate text. So we have to delete. I would delete literally everything in here and then start afresh. So I'll hit X on the keyboard, delete, left click that, hit X, delete, left click, X, delete. Okay, so now we got everything here. I'm going to hit N on here and get rid of that so I get more space in there. And now I'll hit Shift A and now go to match. And now we'll hit text right there. Alright, so now we got it set. Normally this is how it should be. And I was zoning a little bit more. And this text right here, I want the text to stand up. Right now, if you look at it, it's laying flat. So I want it to stand up. Alright. So I'm going to hit arrow, X, 90, enter. Okay, anyone see this? Is it standing? Yeah, it is standing. Get ready to see it's crazy. Okay, it's standing now. So I'm gonna hit tab, and I'm hit edit mode, and I'm gonna go back here, back it up. So what I'm gonna do with this now, I'm gonna say, I think we're using America, AMERICA. I'm gonna go through that real quick. Sort of a thing. Maybe use SDWJR, which is me, but or use global, GLOBAL, or use haters, sort of a thing. I could use that, but you know what? I'm gonna use something else that we don't normally use. I'm gonna use cavalry. I think that's cute. That's another cute way. So I'm gonna hit tab and hit object mode. All right, now, so we got cavalry right there, right? I know you guys know what cavalry is, but cavalry is where Jesus Christ gave his life. He died on the cross for us. You know what I mean? But anyway, you got the concept. Now this right here, I will want to change this text to something else. So I will hit this right here, and I'll go all the way down here. Normally, you will come here to paragraph and hit center the text. Initially, I moved the text because the text was over here. So when I hit center, now initially I did move the text. That's why it's centered over here. But normally it should be able to sit absolutely right here. Bingo. All right. So we go over here and hit, now that we want to change the text to a certain kind of font that I like. Not text, but font. You hit that right there. Go into window,